Hey, Andrew.
You be gentle. Hey, mister. Oh,
Whoa.
Polly. Who was that? Was that my Andrew?
Oh.
Be gentle.
Look at that little baby.
Look at those sounds. What are you doing?
Hey, Kiefer. Hi.
I didn't know you would make sounds like that.
Hi. You say hi, Andrew. And Andrew says, look at the baby.
Be gentle. Be gentle, Andrew.
Look at that baby.
Good job, buddy.
Oh my God.
He's saying hello.
Are you saying hi?
Oh my God.
You talking to the baby?
I'm sorry, I
It's
scared you, I
okay.
think. Did I scare you
Kiefer.
because you got his little face and I got nervous?
Yeah.
Be gentle. That's right. Hey, boys, you want to come up and see this?
That is so cute. Look at
John and Steve.
You
come
like
up
the
here.
little baby, huh?
Yeah.
Look at Kiefer. He's just like, what?
Oh my gosh. This is a PJ Andrew's like so interested in
There's
Kiefer.
the daddies.
Hello, everybody.
Is this a PJ party?
But
Andrew
it's
was
so
like
funny. Andrew was
reaching for
talking to him.
Yeah, and he was like,
He was talking to him, huh? You guys all talky.
Good job.
Did you get that on too?
You were such a big boy. Look at you.
That was really good, Andrew.
Andrew, you are
Yeah.
such a big
Now do
boy.
a one-handed one.
Woohoo!
Now do a headstand. Then your legs around it and start a windmill motion. Do a helicopter.
That was awesome.
Yeah,
Yay!
very
Good
good. Who is that
job.
guy over
Is that your friend Kiefer?
You guys buddies, huh?
there? Look at that, they're already bonding.
That was so funny, Katie.
I know.
They were like talking.
They were
Did you
talking to
wave?
each other. They were talking baby talk. You guys are-
Alright, you don't perform for the daddy.
All right.
That's okay.
Dads are here.
What was he doing that was
It was
different?
like,
I know.
reaching for him.
He's playing with him and talking to him.
And Kiefer's saying, come on back, buddy.
I know.
Come here, do that cool trick again.
Oh, yay! We got it on tape! Woohoo!
Oh, he does that clapping.
Yay!